Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete the threads in your Perplexity AI account. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it. It is quite easy. For now, I'm simply gonna create a thread right here. I'm just gonna type something random and hit on search. As you can see, I have typed it, so I'm simply gonna hit on search right here. And guys, as you can see, the thread is being generated. It might take some time. As you can see, the thread has been generated. Now let's say I want to delete it. At the top right next to bookmark, you will see a button like this. Click on it, and from here you can either add to collection or simply delete the thread. Click on delete right now and give your confirmation. Just hit on confirm. And guys, that's it. As you can see, your thread has been deleted. In context that you want to delete the older threads, what you guys can do is simply go to library. That's just on the left side of the screen. And from here, as you can see, these are the threads that I had created. Let's say I want to delete this one. At the bottom right of this exact thread, you will see these three dots. Click on it. And from here, the same option, add to collection or delete thread. Click on the second option right here and give your confirmation. And guys, that is it. That's how we delete a thread in Perplexity AI. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.